In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make keyboard larger on your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, let me show you the default one. If you just go over here, try to send them any kind of message for over here. If you go back, you can see the keyboard size is this one over here. Now, if you wanted to make it bigger, this is what we have to do. So the first thing, you have to go to the settings here. From here, you have to scroll it down and you have to navigate to the display and brightness. From here, you have to scroll it down and there is an option under the display called display zoom. Tap on it. From here, this has been set into the default one. So if I change this to the larger text, if I change the larger text and go over here, you have to tap on it, and right now it is going to ask you this, go for use zoom it, and it may go like this blank for a couple of seconds. Now if you just go back to your iPhone, to the home screen and all those things, you can see the icons being larger. And also if you go over here to the message app and if you try to send them, you can see it is quite larger than the previous one. Right at the beginning, but in the default one, this wasn't like kind of a larger, but right now if you type something over here like this randomly, you can see the keyboard size has been increased, or it's kind of like it is larger. So you can just send them any kind of message that you wanted, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.